Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to be giving you a review and demo of the BaBylissPRO Prima3000 flat iron. This is what it looks like. This is what comes in the packaging, a little glove, instruction. Make sure to peel off this little heat sticker right here because if you turn it on it will melt. Now this is what it looks like. Here's a 360 of the flat iron. It's very pretty, shiny, like a blue, dark blue, turquoise or a baby blue. That button right there is to lock it and unlock it, and here is what it looks like up close, what the buttons look like. Hit the middle button to turn it on. It will start at the lowest temperature, which is 300, and you can hit the plus button to increase it all the way up to 465. The color will get hotter, as you can see, or you can press the minus button to make the temperature get lower. Basically, I like to start off around 340 for my hair personally, and if that's not hot enough, I'll go up one more. Make sure you don't touch the outside of this because it does get hot, because you can also curl your hair with this flat iron. But this is basically what it looks like, and I'm going to get the tutorial started now. First, I want to send a big shout out to my love CJ for buying this for me, because I've actually been wanting this for a few years. I did not want to break down and buy it because it was kind of pricey for me, so he bought it for me instead. So thank you so much, love you. And that's why I'm able to make this video now. So instead of 340, I'm going to actually start it at 380 because my hair is a little kinky right now, especially at the roots. I'm about 12 weeks post, and as you can see, my hair, I had washed it and then I slept on it for about 2 days before doing anything to it. So right now it's kind of just unruly. I should have flat ironed it the same day that I washed it, but I didn't. So I kind of got some dents and crinkles in my hair, but I'm still going to do the video to show you guys what it looks like, even if you don't have necessarily fresh hair while doing this. And one thing that I want to point out is that in this video, I'm not going to be hot combing my roots. In a previous video, I hot combed my roots, then I flat ironed my hair. I'll make sure to leave the link to that above, but in this video I won't be doing that. So I'll be showing you what my hair looks like just straight up flat iron with the kinky roots. But if you guys would like to see how it looks super straight with me hot combing the roots as well, I'll leave the link to that above, as well as at the end of the video. All in all, I've used this flat iron about twice now, and I'm very impressed with the results. Like this, I'm not disappointed in buying it at all. I'll put it like that. But you want to make sure that you buy this kind of flat iron from a legit reseller. I noticed that some people that bought it on Amazon said that they had got like a fake one. So you want to buy it from somewhere like Cosmoproof or Ulta or somewhere that's like a legit retailer, because there are fake ones going around on the internet. So I'm basically going to let you guys watch me flat iron my hair from beginning to end. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought about the flat iron. Did it do good on my hair? Especially considering I'm 12 weeks post. I am transitioning to natural. For those of you who aren't aware yet, I'll leave the link to that video above as well. But I absolutely love this flat iron. It's like a really good one, and as you can see, I'm going through my hair with one pass and it's still getting very straight. So let me know what you guys think down below, but I'll let you finish watching this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know.